In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Bitstamp account in here. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Bitstamps. And then on the upper right corner, click the Get Started button. And then wait for it to load up. Now it will redirect you to the another page where you'll need to input your details in here. So you will see here your first name and last name input box. So make sure you fill out this form before you click the continue button. And then once complete, click the continue button, and in here they will ask you which country were you from. After that, they will send you an email, a confirmation email for your Gmail. Head over to your Gmail account and check your inbox. You can check it on your spam if you couldn't find the confirmation code. So after that, it will redirect you to the another page, and they will ask you to create your own password in here. So after that, once everything is done, they will need you to verify your account or identity with your phone number and a valid ID. So make sure you verified your identity first in order to access the main interface of the Bitstamp. And that's it. That's how you set up Bitstamp account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.